Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. The Congress party has submitted a breach of privilege notice against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, this notice is over the statement which PM Modi made against the former Vice President Hamid Ansari in the parliament. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had accused former Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chairman Hamid Ansari of leaning towards the opposition. The Congress has expressed a strong disapproval over the statement made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They have also highlighted that this is awful and unacceptable. Congress party has also demanded expansion of PM Modi's statement from the parliamentary record. Jairam Ramesh has written a letter to Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar in which he said that no Prime Minister has ever attacked a former Speaker or Chairman of Rajya Sabha in the manner PM Modi has. Jairam Ramesh's letter to Jagdeep Dhankar on PM Modi's speech from July 2, 2024 in the Parliament reads, "No matter how many number they claim, when we came in 2014, our strength in the Rajya Sabha was very low, and the chair's inclination was somewhat on the other side." Point to note here, Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not name anyone in his speech. However, Hamid Ansari was Rajya Sabha chairman from 2012 to 2017. Jairam Ramesh stated that this is not the first time that Prime Minister Modi has targeted Hamid Ansari. He recalled the incident that occurred 7 years ago during Hamid Ansari's farewell speech. The letter reads that in August 2017, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his speech on Hamid Ansari's farewell in the Balayogi Auditorium, had alluded to the retiring chairman's earlier diplomatic posting in a mischievous manner. In the letter, there is also mention of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech during the farewell to Hamid Ansari in Rajya Sabha. Jairam Ramesh alleges that PM Modi had made allusion to Hamid Ansari's diplomatic work in West Asia. Let's see the clip of PM Modi's speech from 2017.
आपके कार्यकाल का बहुत सारा हिस्सा वेस्ट एशिया से जुड़ा रहा है एज ए डिप्लोमेट। उसी दायरे में जिंदगी के बहुत वर्ष आपके गए, उसी माहौल में, उसी सोच में, उसी डिबेट में ऐसे लोगों के बीच में रहे। वहाँ से रिटायर होने के बाद भी ज़्यादातर काम वहीं रहा आपका, माइनॉरिटी कमीशन हो या अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी हो, तो एक दायरा आपका वही रहा। लेकिन ये 10 साल पूरी तरह एक अलग जिम्मा आपके सिर में आया और पूरी तरह एक एक पल संविधान के ही दायरे में चलाना, और आपने उसको बखूबी निभाने का भरपूर प्रयास किया। हो सकता है कुछ छटपटाहट रही होगी भीतर आपके अंदर भी, लेकिन आज के बाद शायद वो संकट आपको नहीं रहेगा। मुक्ति का आनंद भी रहेगा और अपने मूलभूत जो सोच रही होगी उसके अनुसार आपको कार्य करने का, सोचने का, बात बताने का अवसर भी मिलेगा।
So what is breach of privilege notice? It is basically a notice served when there is a violation of parliamentary privileges enjoyed by the MPs. When any privilege is violated, then it is punishable under the law of the parliament. This breach of privilege notice against Prime Minister Narendra Modi is over his statement which he made on July 2nd, 2024 in the parliament. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.